How to find and see new promotions on Alibaba.com. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find and see the new promotions on the Alibaba.com. First thing, go to the app. This is the home page as you can see. Now all what you have to do to find the promotions is go down here to Messenger, and now you will find promotions option right here. Click on it and you will find the promotions as you can see. Now those products all have promotions as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.